In front of me is KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System. Here click on the Advanced, go to Reset Options, and now click on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Data and Bluetooth. And if you really want to reset all network settings, just tap on Reset Settings. Then enter the pattern if you have one, and confirm that you would like to remove all the network settings. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.